Hi, welcome back to another review. Today we are reviewing this Scorpion ring. In person you can see the detail a little better. Now what's interesting is this ring is stamped inside, and I believe it says 0.925, which would be sterling silver. This is what the ring looks like. I mean, it definitely shines. Scorpion's pretty cool. This is what the ring looks like if you're wearing it. Now let's play the game. How much do you think we paid for it? How much would you pay for it? And I'll tell you. So pause the video, submit a comment guessing how much we paid for it and how much you would pay for it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we paid 99 cents. Was that a good deal or was that a fail?